It's time to start a new era in the Marble League. Today, welcome to Season 2, hosted by the Blackjacks. You see, a new decoration for this league. Yes, a deck of cards scattered around will represent the Blackjacks' home ground. Gravitrax will be up first with Team Galactic, Red Riots, Team Friends, Wipers, and of course Chili Cat with Pulsar, Rad, Michaela, Scrum, and Frozone. Team Friends needs a good result here, and they get stuck, which means they already get caught up, and they eliminated. Chili Cat will not advance. Team Friends will not either. Though Team Friends already off to a bad start this season. That's not how you want to start out a tournament. Stingers. Swan Crashes. Nigga starts doesn't sound the Pinkies. Pinkies was supposed to be the host of the season, but then they decided to give it to the Blackjacks. And they will be eliminated here. Indica Stars, Desert Suns, Swan Crashes, and will advance. Stingers will get caught up on that gap. But both of them are better than the other two runners. Melanina, Glen Glaciers, Dishwashers, Sour Grapes, Freshers. Dishwashers fun, no! Glen Glaciers and Freshers will advance, Sour Grapes will advance with them, Melanina and Dishwashers around. In our last heat of the day, here at the casino, Oranges, Dragon's Tails, Blue Moons, Sugar Crush, and Oceanic. Come on. Sugar Crush in front, but now Dragon's Tails shut on the inside. Who's gonna bend the name? Blue Moons around. Oceanic a good call. And Blue Moons and Pinkies were here. You'll get the best of the West. The first heat of the semi-finals, or should I say quarterfinals. Freshers, Team Galactic, Glen Glaciers, and Wipers, I'm pretty sure. Arranges and Freshers in front, and all Glen Glaciers. They were able to shoot straight to the Freshers, and that will knock them out. They are out. And by the way, at the end of each event, we will have a race with the 4 friendly marbles. So we see the Blackjacks compete. Now Dragon's Tail, Rangers, Sugar Crush, and Sour Grapes are up now, and Dragon's Tail have a bad start. But they claw it back. No, they did not. They are out. Rangers, Sour Grapes, War Bands. And now will be the worst times from both marbles. Now, Red Riots, Desert Suns, Storm Crashers and Indigo Stars. And Red Riots in front, Indigo Stars in second, and they will be advancing. Storm Crashers will not. Desert Suns will get in 12, Storm Crashers 11. Now, the top 6 will race. Top 3 will go to the finals. 4th, 5th, and 6th will have their placement. You have to be in the top 3 to advance to the final. Also, guys will not be advancing, but it will be Team Galactic, Red Wires, and Indigo Stars, who will be in the podium. Now we're going to race for 4th, 5th, and 6th. Glen Glaciers and Rangers, Sour Grapes, come on. Rangers in front, Sour Grapes in second right now. And Glen Glaciers shove away, and they will get 4th. Sour Grapes will get 5th, and Rangers 6th. But now, the podium for the first ever event. Team Galactic, Indigo Stars, Red Riots. Who wins the first event in the casino? Come on, Team Indigo Stars in front. Well, now Red Riots shove on the side, and they get the gold. The Red Riots gets the gold in the Gravitrax race. Team Galactic gets silver, Indigo Stars the bronze. And that's the first event done. Well, remember what I said? That's not done yet. Because now we have a friendly Team Primary, Blackjacks, Electronics and Black Panthers. And what? Blackjacks in front of the home crowd cheering, and the Blackjacks capture the gold, and they will win this event. But that's it for everyone. Next event. Next event will be a new event, which is going to be the uphill drag. See you for that. Let's find out who will win the qualifiers. Here's that.